shot a music video today. Well, not really a music video. Today's my birthday.
Happy birthday, love and prosperity, everything good.
You're supposed to sing in French, to sing.
Bon anniversaire. I'm singing for you.
Okay. Back to the music video. You get it?
Okay. But it still starts with me coming out of the room.
Nah, it's not. Yeah, pretty much. Can you play Babalao?
Beautiful Uye.
Let me tell you about our location. This is L'Auberge de Grand Popo. It was built in 1917. It has vintage rooms, a bar, and what it lacks in great Wi-Fi, it makes up for in good vibes. Okay, back to the restaurant. When you take two, use your forming diva. You're whipping your hair back and forth. Walk. Publish your journal. That is right. Carry on, enabler and scam.
I must use this drink when it was short. We'll take it to the hammock, we'll bring it back here until it should finish.
Amen. Making my own money. That's the point. Who walks in the sun? Talking, have you looked up?
Please, my laptop is overheating.
It's overheating.
Yeah.
Can I take a drink to the hammock?
You can do it, it's okay. You make it stay, that's why you're going to climb it. Oh yeah, best catwalk. Oh yeah, be going. Okay. This is out of the water. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go!
L'Auberge.
We got food.
Go, fruit, bro. I just ate.
We got food. You were excited. Let us sing.
Hi everybody. See, let me give you people gist. So thank you and welcome to my TED Talk. Been it for like 6 years and I'd never tasted real perfume. It's crazy, right? Thank you. But then I tried yesterday.
I said that thank you. I think you're selling medicine.
Yeah.
We follow this highway all the way. It leads to Togo. Copy one. Copy one. We are at the border. Filming at the border is illegal. Yes, he knows that. That's how they all know each other. So 2 hours and 60,000 CFA later, we were in Togo. The first thing you do in a new country is to get cash. Fill up. Now, that is 564 CFA per litre of petrol. Do the math. Fill up. Enter town. In Lome's case, there's a lot of beaches, but most importantly, there is always light.